Are you mad?
Assemble baby.
1.2 billion Ghana here. NDC
$10 million.
Yes,
as against 1.2 billion.
Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? What do you mean?
But probably $50 million was not going to do
the efficiency. Company, a renowned company in the world. There are 2 companies in India with a population of 1.2 billion. The northern sector and the southern sector. For the southern sector for 600 million people. Can you compare that to 30 million for you to tell me they are not competent? Then they were willing to take 50 million and you 1.2 billion. Are you out of your mind? I serve my country. I don't serve any political party. Case closed. I serve Ghana. I don't serve any political party. For you to come and tell us 1.2 billion. 1.2 billion for what? Maybe 200 Ghana cedis. Who do a Dankwah? 200 Ghana cedis. Are you crazy? Move go Ghana. Move go Akufo-Addo. Please.
They could have even used
electoral commission for one. I'm a businessman, so I know when you call the price. Say 1.2 billion. A poor country like Ghana. $1.2 billion. And you see this? Are you mad?
Nigeria football 1 year them.
Please.
Alata.
And this is for Gambaka. What MPP is doing? When the man comes out to say, what 1.2 billion? In how many years? 15. Now such a system this year with the software and hardware in here. What else do you need? It will cost you 1.2 billion. Sakwe mi kan ho ase. O man asase nti no de ma. Margins re man asase. Yes, me say margins on my Professor Tifa.
No.
I challenge him.
No.
Me fear was yes. Me don't get wrong. Me say what I do to announce, I'll do to anybody. It's Ghana first. And I'm serving my country. I'm not serving any political party in this country. $1.2 billion? Are we crazy in this country?